bathi abanye bayongibona abanye bofisa ungibona guys ukuthi did but how to bona momo weather rank 60 degrees mona pula e rotha the fuel mona banyana ba dira sua ewa high advice everyone or anyone to actually go anywhere mo puleng eso mara ba teng emaguzumela strata mo weather ring eso ba ba vayang ba ilata bo Chris ba ba lata banyana ka this time ba ga tshentshela morago bona se gore what's happening out there I want to see what's happening. I don't know what I think about since about stroll like the weather at so. But this is Mzanzi. People are really brave here. I don't want to tell about Guzumela Strata. Sharp. Do my Lamaboko Haikula Mahalesahele Via. It's a girl Dino Caro, and this is CMTV. My scat came more. Niate Banana. Nanteva couple teaching phones in my scats. Nakar, Lujola Juan Narasa Julie. I don't have a mostrating Rabakan and see what's happening. Salamora and see.
And we're not going to libaluba last wathi mandibambe izivuke ngizayimela mina lona
indaba yaziwenzakalani
lokufundela amabele
ari muhle phela
it's not what you think man khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years lokhu
bathi
akicala pisha ke mna
hello batukibale hello guys how are you guys ko babuti sa hore Morto station ke va yeah Morto station Kopa le mo aga le butsitse hantle.
why weather rene
Ha?
why do you
Cause ke batla tlotla nyana ka butsisa lo tseba Morto station ke kae?
nanyaza yes
Ha o itse Morto station?
no
Ha le tshwere ke Morto etsa yang? O kena mo di kageng tsa bakgoane.
no re dula mo around
Le dula around. Okay, ke kopa bua le lona nyana.
oh okay
If you don't mind. Hola the price there we know it's almost December if you don't mind.
okay kopa botsa re bua ka
Ka life in general maybe mojolo re nka like 4 minutes 2 minutes
okay
if it's okay.
right
Ke 4 minutes nyana. Why you tshaba di camera? Tshaba di camera?
ama camera like basically like
You look like a person who loves cameras like una le bu acting and I don't know you just give me bona ke print ke bona ntho a wena le details art ke bona le mo pocketing yana o motho le acting yana.
no anything's fine
You don't mind ne?
I don't.
All right are mele mole bote mole ke bua le mamo
bua le
Thabo from where?
Thabo ko Kagiso
Ka go mfana Gerald.
yebo
Oh yeah, that's nice.
ye mama
Oh, dila ko teng da. Yeah, o tsaya sister.
same place
Same place.
Yeah.
Le mona o ka kitso. Ne ke dula yang. Kenale I have family that side.
oh really
Yeah, ko ka giso ko fada Gerald so.
oh okay.
So le tseba o lo batho ba bontando le bo kana ke
oh yeah
kana ke mafikizolo.
yeah
La ba lo godisitse ke ntho tsa lona tseo.
yeah
All right, I think we should look that side.
Oh.
Mtamele mo ga mind gore ke kene mo gare kere. Batho ba so o bua sona se le sa ko tana taxi.
no ke bua Sotho actually
O bua Sotho,
Yeah.
o Mosotho.
yeah
From here in Gauteng.
from here in Gauteng
Oh, wena umtswana,
yeah ngumzulu
umZulu.
yeah
Mina utletse batswana so kwa.
ngithi uyazi ukuthi impilo kubeka noma ikuphi
Ne.
Yeah.
Okay, nakatse mara wa tseba le foko la utana kere.
yeah
Le wena wa tana o le kere.
utana kana ke
Utana taxi, ba re ko utana taxi.
yeah
Ba bua utana.
yeah
All right, are you guys dating or something? Or the siblings?
no rotate
La date?
yeah
Na nda ko kale date?
6 months
Na 6 months.
yeah
How has it been going?
it's good he's a cool guy after all
Why lo jealous ke like when December is here? Wena ka re batla go baisa ngwana wena.
Orex mama I know like ke motho like ke mo boneng like
Yeah.
ra utlwana ra ba sharp and then yeah
Yeah.
ke happy ka yana that's all
Yeah, ke nge ukhazanga motho.
ukhulu ukhama akathanda ukuthetha akasumuntu othanda ukula ngaso sonke isikhathi uyangi-understanda
Yeah, I understand na.
Yeah.
Kunje, what's your name again?
luyanda
Leander. All right, in scale of 10, how much do you trust a person? Hayibo.
phela ngeke uze umthembe umuntu
Ngona uthembe nje ne?
yeah 80%.
80%.
Yeah.
Le 20 it's a room of disappointment.
Yeah.
And then when how much do you trust a person?
10 what's ever
10.
10 out of 10
How about this?
It's not even once.
Ntana ko sheba ka litho la segolo o spot wa le bona ka la segolo wa se fetisa ngwana ka 6 months
Who's part?
o spot ka litho la segolo yinda why litho la segolo ka spot okay nake Neona from CMTV re dlala game moment. It only literally take 2 minutes of one. So it's a couple switching phones. You guys are exchanging phones for 60 seconds each. Okay, na phone now for 60 seconds or check out what's happening. Fella hell, we just making sure hore relationship alona iba more tight.
Alright.
Mobutsi.
I don't stress.
I wanna stress tough.
No stress.
Thabana stress. Normally buthabo they short, eh? Normally buthabo ba short. Mfega. Ooh, how old are you?
I'm 22 years.
Oh yeah. Yeah. No bueno, sister. All right. You look like a phone, man. Get more feeling comfortable, more confidence.
I'll bet talaga.
Hey, that nanga talaga 22 asha no. Retam kuku.
Ladies first.
Ladies first. Oh. Kupon charlemo. This is Dlamini all tshwetse phone is happening. Oska wa renga se resika yone. Bagaitso, la tseba gore ke power my name is Dino Kharo. Potso ka go le gele ke re lo jela jong rena re sa jole. CMTV ni atembana na another episode. Tshela morago and see what's happening. Tabulous. Re bon. Wena umpolelele ko password. Mara ke go jonga so. Mara o mone mara.
Hi, bo.
Ke go fa litho la bagolo.
I want next answer.
Na ba nra bona ke bona na fer. Ke mo me ba go diagnose and ditla ka mole ba re miss ka dis. Spat vandag. Okay, ko patsena mo WhatsApp. Okay. Can you please search come outside? Ba go pick up.
No.
Na le maka.
Serious.
Ha ona di relatives tse na le nkoloi ba o pick up ang.
No.
Go jo yelo page ka fela jarta le extended.
Ngiyazi ngisendlini mina indaba zokuphuma ukuthi ki angithanda
Awuthanda ukuphuma ne? Okay. Right, you can.
Next is over.
Right, can you please check I love you? Okay, no, ufikile le school.
2023.
2023.
Yeah.
You still feel fresh ne?
Yeah.
Since oga bangena.
Ngabangena.
That's nice. Okay. All right. Kupon chekile pregnancy.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Awungitheli.
I just want to see.
Okay.
I just want to see. Pregnancy is for everyone now, but guys, it's for everyone. I can't go to show.
For in.
She.
Ona matha.
Miss Katekas good. Ke bona ditakalo gore yey. Bona.
Ke mang Thabiso?
Cousin yam.
Cousin yakho.
Yeah.
So musena pregnancy test le ba malemba tswele. Ora heavy and tender.
No, angithi sikhuluma about everything mina naye and so
Why?
ngikwazi ukukhuluma ukumtshela ukuthi
Amabela ka bani la?
Mara ke
Ke mabela ha mang wena?
like
Mabela ke ama. Sha mabela ngwana batho. Mabela ke ama.
let's ka sheba.
Oh,
But menganyana.
mabela ke ama.
awami phela ubhuti wami and there's nothing to hide lapha.
Manje wona isa like ubhuti wakho amabele wakho.
Yeah, angithi siyakhuluma as cousin yami engizoyitshela ngikwazi
Lisenela na mabele ne.
yeah.
Lisenela na le dinutsi ha.
Aswasendi.
To ama umengancane please.
Okay. Na ke khona ke na lo mabele leng. Okay.
I thought ukuthi ngibona ngiyi-one lento kanti hona la bang bayibona
Mana why usendela the belly? Le have cook sorry. Why?
Like ngifuna ukuthi abheke ukuthi
Marianda, you pregnant? You pregnant?
asikudala ngicabanga wena.
ukuthini ucabangani?
Bheka kuyabonakala ukuthi
Okay, so makuthi whose baby is it?
So you got 6 months how? Ora kabelekan. Kupo it's a sex. It's a I don't want to see stuff. It's a sex. Abatlo bona mo. It's a nude. Ke sure na le mo. Etsa nut a re bona. Nka sa o shape o le pregnant. Nka mo shapa ka chick ya mo.
Wa ka bani lo mntwana?
Awakho.
Wa ka Thabiso.
Awakho kanti bengithandana bani?
Manje uThabiso ke mawuthi cousin yakho but umbonisa amabele.
Uthabise bengimsendela ukuthi angitshela ukuthi mayena makabheka kubonakalani.
Bathi khona into enjalo ma. Usendele cousin yakho.
Angisisathembana ne-cousin yami.
He bana.
Awona.
Listen le.
Serious wena.
Wa go joyela gabi. Sen
Lo auntie kahle kahle.
Umtshela ubuseni?
Uyazi.
sheba nut. Sheba nut. Ke shebe nut le wena ne. Tla mina ba tlo sheba.
Hayibo.
Animini.
Okay.
Eish.
A re shebe nut. Wena mago o preg o rata Thabisa ne? O na le 6 months o akampa wa ina 6 months wena o almost due wena.
Awona njala kabi serious.
Hey!
Awona njala. Awumeka nje.
Yeah! Gente coisa. O Jax. O Jax. So what ring sisters?
Mangizwa.
Ake wa kae? Thabo. Thabo is Thabo ke na mangkopa go tlala man.
Thabo.
Thabo askisi jo.
Yazi uzoyiphula le phone.
Ungayiphuli. Ungayiphuli. Taya.
Uzikwenzakalayo. Woza.
Prememo. Wena Lienda, hawa etsa Thabo sentle. O jwala le Thabisho, you pregnant with Thabisho, and ana batla go shapa ka handsball. Imagine.
No.
O no batla etsang?
Eish.
Yo. Moya ne. O no batla go etsang?
No, bengingazi ukuthi sengipregnant but nami ngithole.
But wami ungamtsheli.
Bengisaba kumphetha.
Ube ukusaba kumhetha. Wena ulo
Bokotele ngimangele ukuthi
akaba
like ha ke kopa mo tshwara letso yena o busy.
le nna ke le pregnant ke rata o tsamaya so.
Ene ngisho
Bona.
sona.
Ke rata o tsamaya so. A iswa ga motho o mo juna le 6 months o qadile o motanyona.
Awuswa.
Okay, abuthisa. Ne ke buthisa fela.
Okay, so ikhuluma ke leyo eyami nayo.
Ase mo founele a re mo founele because ne a jola. It's right. Into check phone yakhe.
Seyithiwa ngithi.
Hayi into soyikhuluma.
Yeah, a re check.
Umuntu wami. Ungavumela abantu esingabazi babangindaba zethu ne?
Hey, ke a go itse kona Lianda and pregnant ngakubona wena o tla mo le fan fair. Motho pregnant. Ke a go itse. O tswa kwa ko Kagiso kwa.
Ngizosikhaza. Wayebe nesivimba.
No, wena uvumela kudlala igame. Hawu. A re check hayi. Tla re tsena mo ya o Thabo. Ya tsenga password ke e tshware so. Tsenga password ka motsola wa ke. Okay. Ma go ntsha mona go pregnant. Can you wena?
No, like ne ke ntse ke sola but thinking or maybe so se re tsama so o tlo ntjwetsa yona ntho hore ke ngwana ka but now ha se ke bona ntho tse so.
Tsena mo WhatsApp, ke ne mo WhatsApp.
Yo.
Ko balena o ntshekele pregnancy. Mare mona Thabza mona.
I want disappoint.
Mare le mo facing wa bonala. Ayikho ne. Okay. Ntshekele sex. O teng motho sex ana le ene besides ene.
Ha ona next wa tseba ntle hore nam always le yena each and everything re etsa together.
Wa kena le mo phone ya ha.
Understand?
Wa yo etsa Thabo so ale
Le
nice.
password ya hae.
Yeah.
Wa tseba yaka.
Hayibo, hakuna next.
Go cheka I love you. O fila yang so o do qhubeka le. Una le 6 months a shi motho pregnant. O do qhubeka.
Ha ke sa dikenas. To be honest, ha ke sa dikenas.
Mare ngwana o a mo godisi.
Nka tlo godisa ngwana seng yaka.
Stepfather vibe.
The only thing ke shebileng ko etsa DNA like
DNA 6 months mona bula matlho mo grote te mona. Ke ngena ba di hands bolo tsa force tse.
Hakuna next clean.
Nutsinyana. Wa itseba phone ene a o fena kena mo phone ya.
hakuna le manzo we to be honest like no like I'm lost.
Tso sente le kene strateng o di jetse.
Like you tshwetsa hore like motho tlo ntshwetsa like the good news like baby I'm pregnant.
I feel like maybe if ana ho jweditse NSF it would have been different ne. Now you do mo jolo ba kahle. Ish. Imuna, okay. Tsena mo di picturing in some sort. Wena wa itseba phone So la khaogana vele relationship e fedile ne.
Hayi phela ini.
Wena tsama ko thabiso khudisa ngwana.
Wena uza nembono engasile umuntu wami lo.
Wena no pregnant ngota go ka tlape.
To be honest.
Maka mo wena.
Ensokushiya thina la sihamba soyithuna thaba.
No.
Oh wena o khale thaba. O ngwana ona le mogwadi yele bone.
Asibazi ukuthi uvela phi. Cha.
Vela mustrat ona le mogwadi sa funa ga thaba wena. O imile.
Babe.
Mbelo pregnant. Ka ga etsa nanga sinkethi next week ka tena ke strat meeting ka go ba le strat se.
Yo, we.
Tlola thabo. Baby eng. Tsama ko thabiso o pregnant. Ke ngena mo. A wa etsa sentle. O nga phenda mina. O damina ba tle di hands born. Umuntu tsama ga ngena.
Ngiyakuya.
O ska mo jala wa go manipulate. Wa go manipulate. O tsama le so she's due. She's Jew. Oh, Jew ngwenyano, ha mona. Tsamaya o batla fa bana ba to the hands ball. So no o batla fa le times hands ball. Wa hlanya. O tla ba re ba o fa hands ball. Mara ngwana lo mone le ka horamo. E teng into e wrong. Ke mone. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna do the hands ball. If you're pregnant and you get into a new relationship, do be honest. Just be honest. Or this is what's happening, and allow a person to decide whether they want to be in a relationship with you or why not. Just allow a person to have an opinion about that. My name is Dineo Karo, and this is Glams with a beautiful team. Please do catch us again on another episode. CMTV Niate Branana. We love ya. Bye. Dumela maboko ga ke re lo mogelesegele via it's a girl Dineo Karo and this is CMTV my scat kemo ni athebana na lante ba ka couple teaching phones my scat na ke are lo jola jwang rena re sa jole a re tsabe mo strateng re ba kene and see gore what's happening ntshala morago ntsi
and wena okwesithunga liba last wathi mandibambe izivuke ndzayimela mina lo
indaba yaziwenzakalani
lo lokusendela amabele
ari ngutwe phela
it's not what you think man khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years into
bathi
nakitla akitla pisha ke monna